Excel lacks the ability to review the exact steps taken in the data transformation process. This means that it makes it challenging and time-consuming to replicate reports or analysis. Teams often depend on specific staff members to update routine reports, encountering difficulties when these individuals are absent or when training new staff. Tools like Power BI, a data visualization software, programming languages like R and Python, or OpenRefine, an open source tool for working with messy data, are better for two main reasons. Transparency. You can always check your history and verify how your data was transformed. And reproducibility. It allows you to perform the same operation on new data to automate repeating projects. It can seem daunting to move away from a familiar tool like Excel, so feel free to get in touch with any questions.